Hey guys, so how you all doing? I hope you guys are all doing well. This video is continuation of the last video I made because I think there is lot of critical, like deep critical information that we need to know before we could get into solutions. So this is kind of the hidden hands resting place where the entire control of the world is coming from. So it took me a while to make the video and collect all the data, but this will really connect us with lot of doubts and questions we had, where actual the control is, where are aliens directly connecting with humanity on a planetary basis, etc., etc. So without wasting any time, I will right jump into the content of the video and take you through the deepest hidden darkest secrets of how aliens control us and screw us, basically. So as you can read from the title of the video, yes guys, is the Dutch. It was the most surprising thing for me as well, because I have been researching the Dutch people like everywhere I go, because we in conspiracy are like deep thinkers and we don't rest until we are able to connect the dots. So to connect the dots we need to think deep. That is the primary requirement, right? So everywhere when I go and think deep and try to connect, the Dutch angle is all over the place. So finally, after like I can say 10 years, 15 years, I'm able to present you a big picture. So I am very sure you'll be shocked to how the Dutch has controlled not only your external life but also your entire life from top to bottom, guys. Entire, aka the aliens behind Dutch people are controlling your entire life from birth till death to the things you use. There is no such thing as sales and marketing in quantum level, guys. How they use quantum physics to make you buy the things you don't like with the money you don't have. It is all possible through quantum mechanics, because in quantum field you only buy, they don't have to sell you anything. So that I will cover it in the later videos, but this is very very critical, that how human beings, the entire Amazon, it has nothing to do with United States or the largest website. It has to control to do with Dutch people, guys. Yes, Amazon is controlled by the Netherlands, not United States, not Jeff Bezos or the smartphone industry that so much is proud of. I have, when I talk with my friends and people who watch the video, they always tell that smartphone, how smartphone has taken over their world. But you will think the largest smartphone makers are the problem, like Samsung and Apple. No, guys, what if I told you entire smartphone market from Samsung to, yes, Apple to Oppo to the old Nokia, you name the Chinese company, it is all controlled by the Dutch. Yes, guaranteed. From Reliance to Geo to Lava, they have a critical component. That's how aliens control the world. They have one thing that rules them all. Without that, nothing will work. No smartphone will work. The smartphone took over our life because of the Dutch, guys. Everything is ruled by the Dutch. These guys all work for the Dutch East India Company even now. Larry Ellison, Bill Gates, Jeff Bezos, they are irrelevant, guys. They do not matter for the aliens. All these pyramid, even the Rothschild doesn't matter, because they do not have the technology, science. The science is in the Netherlands, guys. And you will know, if you want to find me, I know where my living space would be, because we all in the star community, like truth community, belong to the Netherlands, because it is a very very critical place for us to be. It doesn't matter if you are a Arab Sheikh riding your Bugatti, or you are from a ghetto, like most of us are either middle class or living in a lower middle class. They all belong to the Netherlands, guys. Yes, wait till you get shocked. You will know doesn't make any sense, right? Exactly. Aliens have created the world in such a way that it will not any make any sense at all. That is how incredibly smart aliens are. You will think, oh, dude, I only heard about the United States, the two superpowers. It's earlier it was Russia and US, and now China is the superpower, guys, followed closely behind India. Nothing could be further from the truth, guys. All media brainwashing. China it doesn't even count. Chinese and India is does not even come in the picture. At least US has some show, some say through the scientists. But India, China, Japan, the entire Asia, Africa, nothing matters for the aliens other than Netherlands, guys. You will be shocked what this country has the hold over you. You will be blown away from birth till your death. Everything is controlled by the Dutch, guys. Yes, in quantum state, we all are Dutch citizen. You can demand if they ever open a quantum visa, you will all belong to the Netherlands, guys. This orange has a very, very deep meaning. It has nothing, even we know the Dutch people are slaves like us, but why they were forced to accept orange color? You know, the most search, it doesn't matter from where you are, you might have thought about it at least once in your life why the Dutch people are obsessed with orange, right? It is all by design. They are forced to use this orange color, but I am very sure they do not know. They will always give the mainstream reply like the king Orange Nassau, House of Nassau made them do it or blah blah blah. That is not. It is aliens, guys. You will know the meaning of Dutch. This is the actual color of planet Earth, orange. And we will answer who is your daddy, not the daddy or mommy you have right now. On a quantum level, your life is controlled on a quantum level, guys. I will really have to make an video on quantum physics because without quantum physics, we will not understand the head and tail of it. And it is very, very simple, guys. Quantum physics is actually 10 to 100 times simple than conventional and Newtonian physics. The thing is, aliens should have never given conventional physics. If you are a good alien, you will teach your ancestors quantum physics. Then comes the 3D. Quantum is 2D, guys. Second dimension. Yes. First, I have searched thousands of videos, hundreds of videos watched. Everybody is wrong. I can say confidently because we do research, independent research. We are not swayed by the mainstream science. I will prove it because I knew this two-dimensional physics. What we know is quantum, but it is in the most core thing. Yes, Maxine, graphene. Graphene is 2D. It is works on quantum. When you think of quantum, think about two-dimensional. Yes, that is why they always tell you, bro, I'm going to go to fourth dimension, fifth dimension, sixth dimension. They will never ever told you, even in your even in your consciousness, even in your wildest of dreams, to look back and go to two dimension. Two dimension is where is the whole game, where is the whole control. That is why they tell you to look forward to 5D, 6D, 7D, 8D, 15, 20, 30D. Useless, guys. Everything happens in second dimension. You quantum mechanics is in 2D, guys. Your real daddy, the daddy who controls your life, is in quantum state and he belongs to the Netherlands. This fetal DNA, when you go deeper, you already know it where this baby cell came from, but it goes so deeper that we will cover it in this video. And we know it is from the Netherlands, but from Netherlands where it goes, that is how deep we will go. But first, let me give you a taste of how Holland controls your life, starting with the largest e-commerce company in the entire world, Amazon. This is the screenshot I took during Black Friday. Do you see any color? You will think it is actually Amazon.com. I was taking the screenshot from all the 10 to 20 markets Amazon has. This curvature itself is orange. So for the life of me, I couldn't believe it. Like whenever I know Amazon is an evil company, we all know, but I am very sure Even if you are into conspiracy, you might have purchased some item from Amazon because it is something they have done. Now I figured out, but for the life of me, since Amazon came to India, I'm kind of been forced into buying shit that I don't need. But I have we are into conspiracy, so I don't have loans or credit card. But that itself bugs me that I am buying from the corporate shit. But the thing is, Amazon is actually the nicest company in India. They have fast refunds, returns, and exchange. They don't ask any questions. You ask any Indian guy, they will agree that Amazon doesn't piss you around like the local companies in India. They are actually the best. But I couldn't figure out how they are able to force me to buy. I even looked into the code because when I graduated, I learned HTML and the JavaScript, ASP, everything. But I thought they are doing some magic in the code. But coding was also cleaner, guys. But I couldn't figure out. You can see they have put orange. You will think it will be the United States color of the country of origin. You see China, orange. Black Friday, it is German. This is Holland. Obviously, it will be orange like Netherlands or India. UK. You can see the color. All the things. Why orange, guys? Why Amazon doing the biggest sale of the year, Black Friday, like they make billions? They deliberately, if you type today Amazon.com, it is not, I checked it, but it may change in your place, but it is definitely not filled with orange. Why they have pasted the entire Amazon, the largest marketplace, with orange color, guys? Think about it. You will come to know. But before we start, Amazon has an origin, guys. All the companies in the world belongs to Dutch East India Company. Before the British came, it was just a franchise of Dutch East India Company, guys. It is even now the biggest company ever to have existed. The biggest, largest company is not from China ever or from India or US. It is still Dutch East India Company. The Dutch East India Company VOC was a mega corporation founded by a government directed consolidation by several rival Dutch trading companies, all conceived and backed by the aliens. But I need to take you through this story to understand how aliens control us, guys. It is believed to be the largest company to have ever existed in recorded history. Can you see this? Not East India. East India from the British, they loaned it. They are not the real maker of East India Company. It was Dutch East India. It was established on March 20 as a chartered company to trade with Mughals in India in the early modern period. But here comes the thing. The company has been often labeled a trading company or sometimes a shipping company. At the dawn of modern capitalism, wherever Dutch capital won, urban features were developed, economic activities expanded, new industries established, new jobs created, trading companies operated, swamps drained, mined open, forests exploited, canals constructed, miles turned, ships were built. Everything that you see now, with its pioneering institutional innovations and powerful roles in global business history, the company is often considered by many to be the forerunner of modern cooperation. In many respects, modern day cooperation are all direct descendants of the VOC model. So you can see all corporations are already designed based on the Dutch model, guys. You can see how Dutch control, but we will come to, if you read list of largest companies, you will just most likely go Royal Dutch Shell. But the secretive company, the greatest company that really control your life is nowhere here mentioned. That is the game, guys. You will be you already are familiar with this guy, but do you know him? If I ask you who controls Amazon, you will obviously know. Yes, always. Come on, man. We are not that stupid. Yeah, dude. We all are. They fooled all of us. You will. If I actually shared this stuff with a lot of people, but they never watched it because this guy was not in the picture. I told them, dude, is not the guy who created and who runs Amazon. This is the guy. You may be seeing him for the first time, and his name is Werner Vogels. You know where he is and what is his position? Werner Hans Pickel Vogel is the Chief Technology Officer and Vice President of Amazon. Born Ermelo, Netherlands, Dutch. That is why Amazon has entire front end as orange, guys. And wait till what he has done. What if I told you he controls, he designed, developed, architecture, entire Amazon cloud web services, Elasticsearch, fulfillment center, Prime Day. The depth of his brain cells is mind blowing. He designed entire Amazon, guys. Not him, he's just a PR guy. He did absolutely nothing except talk, but the brain behind entire Amazon is this, guys. You can see Google studied computer science at Hague University, PhD in computer science. He did all this, then he joined Amazon and immediately he was promoted. He joined Amazon in September 2004 as the Director of Systems Research. He was named CTO in January 2004 and Vice President in March of that year. Vogels describes the deep technical nature of Amazon's infrastructure work in a paper about Amazon's Dynamo, the storage engine for Amazon's shopping cart. That is just the one thing he did, design the Amazon shopping cart. But then when I watched this interview, like, it doesn't make, he doesn't speak with like a diplomatic or, which makes sense. His voice and etc. has that Dutch accent and he has incoherent thing. That is how exactly aliens connect with each other. If you are like, as my brother said that US secretly hires nerds from all over the world. That is how he is. Now you can see, I didn't know this, but when I watched his interview, I knew this guy rules Amazon. In 2008, it became evident that Vogels was one of the architects behind Amazon's approach to cloud computing, the Amazon Web Services. During that year, Vogels was continuously on the road to promote cloud computing and AWS and benefits to the industry. As you can see, Amazon Web Services, cloud computing, the billion, it is worth, last time I checked, it is worth $250 billion, guys. How much is Jeff Bezos worth? 100 billion. This guy, what he created, powers the cloud computing industry. He is the man behind it. You can see his videos. You can watch some of it if you have time. But I watched some of his video and immediately know this guy is not what he claims to be. You can see the things he developed. Werner Vogels, the secret behind Amazon's constant innovation. From Amazon Go to Amazon Prime to Prime Air to the Amazon robots to the Amazon fulfillment centers, to everything. All the architecture you see behind it is mind blowing, guys. It is crazy, designed by this guy. When you watch his video and how he designed it, you will know this guy is not ordinary. He may speak like that, and he's, Dutch guys are tall like 7 feet, 6 feet 7. But you will know immediately this guy has no role in Amazon whatsoever. You should watch some of his videos. Then you will know. As I said, I looked into all the codes, but I didn't figure out. I didn't know that this guy is behind the complete development of mobile Amazon. But I know you will not be convinced, but I have bigger and bigger things for you. Smartphone world, guys. You will think that Samsung, Oppo, LG. No, guys, they are all frontliners to fool you. Samsung, Oppo, Huawei, Mi, LG are all irrelevant. You can put any channel name like Soul Voice or DavidIke.com or anyone, your relatives or your kids' name. It doesn't matter because the core technology that runs everything is owned by the Dutch. I will go through it, you will know. They tell only top 10 mobile manufacturers of the world, and you immediately will think about China and Korea and US, Apple, Samsung. What if I told you their A star is owned by the Dutch? Xiaomi, they promote Xiaomi so much as if they are the makers of the smartphone. They are zero. Huawei, Oppo, they don't matter at all when it comes to control of planet Earth. 10 biggest smartphone companies in the world right now. This is how they feed us, guys. This is how they keep us in mainstream without telling us who really owns all these companies. Best phone, top 10 smartphone. This is where the mainstream ends and our show begins, guys, in conspiracy. Have you ever heard of a company called ASML? What if I told you this company owns the ass of, sorry for my French Canadian, of all the smartphones, 5G, 4G, Internet of Things, Alexa, Google Talk, everything, whatever is going to come in the future is owned by this company you never ever heard of, ASML. They have the real technology. You see this? This is advanced lithographic machine only made in the Netherlands, which creates dense chips, guys. This is incredible technology. You will never imagine Netherlands, the largest flower seller with people riding bicycle and people smoking weed, but they have the most advanced technology in the entire world. They have even Japan and United States, Silicon Valley doesn't have it. Let me go through it. ASML might be the most successful tech company you never heard of. Yes, the Dutch business is the only supplier of advanced machine here to make cutting edge chips, and its dominance is likely to remain unchallenged. Why, guys? Because aliens are directly supplying the one component that makes the world go around, and they are supplying it to the Dutch. I'm not, once you let me go through some of the articles, then you will know why Dutch is the steering wheel of the world, literally, guys. Dutch is the center of the world, guys. Make no mistake about it. Everything is controlled by aliens from Netherlands. ASML. ASML Holding is a Dutch multinational corporation founded in 1984 and specializing in development and manufacture of photolithographic system. Currently, it is the largest supplier of photolithographic system primarily for the semiconductor industry and the sole supplier of extreme ultraviolet lithographic machines in the world, meaning in a small, like 10 times the width of hair, they can compress thousands and millions of transistors and chips, which no other country can do it, including United States or Japan, the most advanced countries. Only Netherlands, guys. Even they admit these are all buyers from ASML. These guys supply the machines from these for them to make their chips, etc. Here, the 150 million machines keeping Moore's law alive. ASML next generation extreme ultraviolet lithographic machine achieves previously unattainable level of precision, which means chips can keep shrinking for years to come. This is the machine. You can never believe Netherlands could make such a complicated machine, right? The way they show in YouTube videos, travel videos, but this is the most cutting edge machine. Inside the machine that saved Moore's law. How ASML became chip making's biggest monopoly. You can read this, how they control everything, but I will go through one of the key articles. You will see. The company that modern capitalism couldn't survive without. See how they control. If they shut down this, your smartphone will not work. Kind of like, entire software industry will shut down because it works on hardware, on one chip lithography, guys. Without lithographic, ultraviolet lithography, so much compression of data, like how the smartphone runs, how TikTok runs, YouTube runs, and hundreds of other data processors is made only by this company. Even 5G, the world is running short of semiconductor chips, running so short that Subaru has temporarily closed a plant in Japan. 5G network rollouts are delayed. Our nemesis 5G, right? Apple is worried about production hiccups and new PlayStation 5s are nearly impossible to find. The reason for the shortfall may be plain to see: production slowdowns during the pandemic, compounded by booming demand for consumer technology, blah blah blah. That is not it, which makes it all the more remarkable that a single Dutch company sits at the very heart of this $439 billion industry. Read this again, guys. The entire software, hardware, tech. If when we say tech, we think about Silicon Valley, right, or Bangalore, or China, the factory of, or Japan or Korea. No, guys, the heart is in the Dutch. At its headquarters in Veldhoven in the Netherlands, ASML assembled photolithography machines which its circuit patterns onto chip wafers using low wavelength technology. This is total alien shit, we don't have to go. But it is also the only manufacturer of latest, most precise generation of chip making machine, which makes extreme ultraviolet light with a wavelength of 13.5 nanometer, a 10,000 the width of a human hair. If you think this is easy, you see Chinese are begging to get. Why can't Chinese do it, right? They are very good at copying. So why can't, if for 13 billion is nothing for China, they have 100 billion. Why can't Americans do it? If Americans have the greatest, smartest MIT and Harvard and all these things, why is only Holland is able to do this? It is difficult to think of another company anywhere that is simultaneously this important and yet this unknown to the public at large. Do you think it is natural? The one company that rules the entire modern capitalism is not known. You think this is natural, guys? If Veldhoven vanished tomorrow, our version of capitalism, our cell phone, remote working, Netflix binging, online buying, cloud storing, smart car driving, Internet of Things, capitalism would shudder to a halt. This is exactly actually we want, right? We don't want this technology to overtake us. So we know where the control is. Finally, we are able to pinpoint it. It's been a long journey. Like for me personally, like 40 to 20 years, where we should actually take our fight to. I'm not telling it doesn't go with guns and roses, guy. It is goes to science. We have to use science, pure science, no meditation or no other things. Like it doesn't work the way we think, because this itself proves, right? ASML isn't a monopoly. You will think about monopoly as Google, but its market depends upon its technology to a degree that can almost be discomforting. You can go through all this, but this then they tell you all the brainwashing how ASML came, but this is how aliens operate without us knowing. They tell you, look there, China wants a chip machine from the Dutch, the US says no. But when you read this, you will think, oh, China is big and US is big, so Dutch, who are Dutch? You will just skip this. You will say, yeah, they are continuously fighting this. Why can't US and China make it, guys? The core technology. Think about it. Chip machine maker ASML will grow into a 500. It will never. They want to keep it below the radar. I guarantee you, it will never become a $500. They don't have to. The money is not their goal, guys. They already have unlimited supply of money from the aliens. They don't need 500, 5 trillion, all this BS that they are controlling technology. Now you know who owns you. And that is just the external. I have not even come into the internal, where they own your entire body, guys, from top to bottom, literally. Your 5 respiratory, 5, 6, they keep on expanding respiratory system, digestive system, blah, 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 all this circular system, nothing, it doesn't matter. All the systems in your body doesn't matter. But let's now come to, I'm taking it quickly because we have a lot to cover, guys. That's why I'm running through it, because you already know it. Let's come to the internal body parts of every human. It doesn't matter if you are Chinese, black, white, you are an American, Indian, Chinese, Japanese, you belong to the Dutch, guys. Literally, nothing matters. That is how advanced. Like, I went to shock after it, because even the herbals that I have been promoting, it is useless. Yes, guys, it works on a one level to make you stand off the ground, but it doesn't make you rest. We need to continuously work to take over the planet, and for the mission we are here. I know how new age it sounds, but we are backed by science, guys. I will come to the science part. That is where we shine, right? So if they are attacking us through science, we have to attack through science only. Pure science, not the vitamins and minerals. That's my pet peeve. If you want to push my buttons, you can't make me angry with, hey, solo is your voice, man. It's Indian accent. I can't hear you. That's fine. But if you really want to push my button, just tell about did you had your vitamins and minerals. That is where I get pissed off. They have gone so far ahead of vitamins and minerals and whey proteins, guys. 90% of the crap promoted. Like carbs, I need to have low carbs. Please do not talk about carbs and proteins. And even the alkaline and amino acid, it's embarrassing, frankly, guys. Aliens are so far ahead. At least please take few steps to learn science that we are discussing. Alkaline and acidic body, and it is, I don't even want to talk. We will discuss the real science and keep up with the aliens who are controlling it. I know it's hard, but I will also give you solutions to open your mind. It's because aliens have split our brain into two, so we are not able to discern. But as I said, if you stop eating wheat for 6 months, most of the things will be clear. And the Western people's only diet consists from pizza to burger, all made from wheat. The diet of the Western people, though it is compromising, you should not eat meat, but if you can try to eat Asian food like Thai or like Chinese, but Chinese is also a bit adulterated with Ajinomoto. But eat rice, guys. Rice is also compromised, but it is 100 times better than wheat. Wheat is total poison. It creates chaos in your brain. You will not be able to connect the dots and you will be a zombie. So for me, if you ask me, the most poisonous food for us is wheat, guys. Avoid wheat and be free. I even tell you to, even you can smoke and drink alcohol. That is fine. It only affects you once, right? If you are hangover, it goes away. But wheat is forever, guys. It will take you to your graveyard. Anything that I say, and if you eat wheat, it's gone forever. So please do not take your wheat. And this statement needs to be very, very clear. Who is your daddy? I know what this means, dominance, etc. So I'm not telling in a negative way, but we need to understand. We need to take things light and slow. So this will be very, very clear to you. Don't think my dad is from India. That is so childish, guys. My dad, they know your dad is from India or China. Since you are white, your dad will be white, you are black. That is kid stuff. This is where the whole game center. That is why more and more Maxine drama, and it will play on and on, because the core critical time has come to steer the planet, guy. Literally, I'm telling you. These aliens collect planets, because there is no such thing as planet. First, they destroyed a star called Earth and made it a planet. Now it is to tow it to the darkest realm. That is where this comes into picture. We only have 200 to 300 years left, but this is a very critical point where they are turning the planet, guys. And they are pointing it where they want to take it, but I will come to it. But you must know, the vaccine used from polio, the first vaccine when we were forced to take from our parents, we didn't have a say, yes or no. To the Coca-Cola, Gatorade, all the food supply in United States and Europe where they use this, I already covered it. It is from the Netherlands. Why, guys, are there no abundant babies in United States? Thousands. But HEK293 silver generated by transfection of cultures or normal human embryonic kidney cells from laboratory in Leiden, the Netherlands. Why Netherlands, guys? Because Pfizer, the biggest, or Moderna, it's in United States. Pfizer was a Hitler guy, right? Hitler company. Even when Pfizer was Hitler, why they used Holland? Why they used a baby from Holland, guys? That is the craziest part, if we are into conspiracy. The cells were, this is even more crazier. This is where we connect our real conspiracy. This is where our brain cells starts getting blown away. The cells were obtained from a single aborted miscarried fetus, the precise origin which is unclear. This may be the most important statement you will read, because it connects to the future timeline, guys. forever the Americans and the Western doctors say if you have genetic defect you should not do this, but they are so bold enough to inject everyone with a cell line that origin itself is not clear. What if the mother had hundreds of genetic defects but they didn't care and they didn't put it in the mainstream? What if his mother and father had genetic defect, that same DNA is being fed but they know its origin and it is off planet into our future, guys. I guarantee you will be blown away where this baby has come from. It has come from our future. Yes, future. That is you will be shocked. You see, even now after close to 50 years, Pfizer and Moderna is using HK3 cell line from tissues from the Netherlands. Why not China or Korea, guys, or India? Even now, HEK is. It's been 1972 to 2000. It's close to being 50 years now. Why they are continuously using one fetal cell line DNA to control you, we know, but we will directly come to it. Recognize the scientific impact. In the Netherlands in the 1970, Graham developed HE2K. He's actually Canadian, but they shipped him, they brought him, come to Holland and create this cell line. Because this guy, I read all the scientists working, they are just being told what to do, guys. They are not into conspiracy. They cannot connect the dot. He is not as smart that as we are led to believe, because they are not able to connect the dot. They are just told and they just do it. They just go through the literature so that the aliens scan the scientist of the world. So he was the smartest on earth. So they called him up and they told him to read through. Of course, through various, he doesn't know aliens are behind it. So he did exactly what they are to do. I went through his all his background and whatever. So he is on an alien level. He is not as smart as what he should know. He should be doing. How fetal cells from the 1970 control medical innovation today. So all the technological advancement is still done on the abundant fetus at the Leiden, the Netherlands. An essential human cell line with an unexpected. This is very, very, very deep, guys. You will know how deep this is. You see HEK, but the next question is, what is this HEK 293? Why human embryonic kidney cell, guys? Why not like New Age? Let's give New Age people some credit, guys. Why not take it from the heart? Because we have been told heart is everything, right? The next will come your eyes, your tongue, your brain. That is how we are being programmed. But they cultured it from the kidneys. In Netherlands, that's okay, we are covered. But why kidney, guys? You can search the entire internet, you will not get it, because only aliens know the kidneys. Be ready to be blown away. Why they took the cells of a fetus from the kidney, not from the New Age heart? Heart is everything, or from the lungs, because in school we were taught your kidneys and how they work. So when I tell you this, you will Google it and you will come here. What is the function? The kidneys are two bean shaped organs, each about the size of a fist. They are located just below the rib cage, one on each side of your spine. How cute, right? I wish it ended here and I could go back to doing the things. Healthy kidney filter about half cup of blood every minute, removing waste and extra water to make urine. The urine flows from the kidneys to the bladder through two thin tubes of muscle called uterus on each side of bladder, blah blah blah. This is what they tell you. Your kidneys make up of hormones that help control your blood pressure, make red blood cells, keep your bones strong and healthy. Wow! So this is what kidneys are important. That is how we have been programmed to touch. This is how you end up in Google search and you get these kinds of results. The kidneys are powerful chemical factories that perform the following functions: remove waste products from the body, remove drugs from the body, balance the body fluids, release hormones, blah blah blah. No, guys, unfortunately, I wish this ended here. Let's come to the real thing. How aliens know what actually kidney does. This is actually a old website. I don't know who created it, but this is crazy. They know and they are rubbing it. Embryonic kidneys are a heterogeneous mix of almost all types of cells present in the body. Yes, guys. This is where the conspiracy comes. Why they chose kidney? I was actually searching. I know there is more to it than select, because kidney will be the last place to take the cell and insert it in entire 7 billion human race, right? So the alien mind, we know it is goes 2000 plus IQ. They definitely know more than what we do. So it's just a matter of searching and researching. We need to keep on typing keywords in the Google, and Google is useless, but there is Bing also. Bing is also compromised, but if you want to research, you can use Bing and other search engine. I used to use Copernic 20 years back, but now it is that is also gone. So if you keep on putting new keywords, you will come across. So this is where they know that we don't know. That is why the fetal baby, when it is in your body, it controls every part of your body. In fact, it has been speculated by independent researchers including Bond and Revilsels that the cells may be neuronal in origin, guys. This is the boom. This is what shocked me. I already told you in the neuronal, but I didn't go deep. But here, as I said in my last video, it floats on top of your brain. They themselves are so telling you. But I found this later on, but here it even goes deeper, but we will not stop today. We will go totally how deep the aliens thing. So we are not going to stop here. We are going to go into the expression where this fetal cell is expressed in your body, where it shines, where it talks to the body, where it behaves in your body. These are the receptors. You don't have to worry about the complicated words. So muscarinic acetylcholine receptor, corticotropin releasing factor, transient receptors, but I did the research, so you can Google this muscarinic acetylcholine. First thing you see is muscarinic M3 receptors are expressed in the regions of the brain that regulate insulin homeostasis. You can see it directly controls your brain, your kidney. Yes, guys, your kidney controls your brain. Acetylcholine, what is this? Acetylcholine is a messenger neurotransmitter, guys. You might have heard if you have done into some research into melatonin, serotonin, etc., or the precursor to melatonin and how cells communicate each other, messenger RNA, etc. So acetylcholine is a organic chemical that functions in the brain and body of many types of animals, including humans, as a neurotransmitter, a chemical message released by nerve cell to cell, signals to other cells. That is how the baby controls your brain, muscles, and gland cells, guys. You see, if I take a kidney cell and inject, and it should go to chromosome 19, then I have control over your entire body, because I control your neurons, muscle cells, and gland. And I have not even covered the other three. Wait till you hear what they does to you. You see the brain of aliens. This is definitely not. You will not read this. I guarantee you. You will not be able to read this, because only aliens have access the brain cells to even think this way, because no college from Japan to US teaches you this way. So I went and I cleared. I read this, and I will create the short form here, so you can go through. You will understand to connect the dots. Muscarinic acetylcholine, the CHRM gene plays a role in abnormal thalasso-orbital frontal cortex. This is where I fought with the baby. I know. I will come to it how the whole episode began. Frontal cortex. This is very, very critical for us in conspiracy. This is where we are connecting to the God or the light, guys, from our future. From frontal cortex, frontal lobe is where we are getting all the information, where we are getting the direction to go left or right. Is this right thing for me to do? Eating this organic food is right, or eating Pepsi Cola? The decision the day you made, I will stop eating cola and Pepsi crap, and I will start becoming an organic being. Frontal cortex was the reason, guys. This is where now it is sitting. Frontal lobe, corticotropin releasing factor, CRF1. widely expressed widely through central and peripheral nervous system, aka muscle bone. This is how they can force you to buy iPhone. The things you buy with the stuff money you don't have. When the baby acts up, it controls your nervous system without knowing you. Your muscles start moving, and you click add to cart in Amazon. This is then you regret, oh man, I brought it, I don't want to. That's how they make you buy stuff. There is no selling. Forget that is childish, guys. Please don't try to sell anything. They have only buy now. They will tell you. In fact, I will not go through, I will cover that in my next coming videos. In fact, they have so advanced technology, they can make you buy a guy from Des Moines, say, or in Shenzhen, or say Korea, or from Bombay, or from Calcutta, the exact guy, they can make him buy the shit he doesn't want through quantum physics and the baby fetal cell. He will start dancing a single message in frontal lobe, and he will start dancing, he will click the buy thing. That is how advanced technology is. So please don't believe in marketing and sales, or can you please buy this stuff? That's so childish, embarrassing actually for humans. Please don't try to sell us anything. Humans are now designed to only buy the shit that we tell you to buy. Now you don't even have the Pepsi versus Cola choice that on the time of David Icke he tells you don't have a choice. Even that is gone now. Second, transient receptor potential, TRPC1, or etc. etc. Taste. Channels are expressed throughout gastrointestinal tract. I have seen many times, like 5 to 10 years back, when I didn't know much into it. The taste was controlling. I already created a video. Most of the people, if you watch now, observe now, those who have taken the vaccine, they are going crazy. You will see them all the time in restaurant, guys, either in Dunkin' Donuts or McDonald's. Everyone is filling in the restaurant because they have the taste receptors activated for the baby child inside you, so that they make more docile. They cannot think, because when the taste takes over, they are like, I know many of the people whose children have taken the vaccine, and they have become even worse in demand. If they want pizza, nothing else. There is no compromise with their parents. They are getting even more angrier now. So this is the third one. This is what connects us to us, guys. Sphingosine phosphatase. This is where it is attacking us in conspiracy and angel's help and all. EDGs. This is the phosphate. When you read phosphate, think about ether, antimatter, immune modulation, immunity. So instead of they telling you it increases immunity, it decreases immunity, guys, and directly involved in suppression of innate immune response from T cells, aka controls immune system when you gonna die, connection to God and angelic selves. In short, this is what it means. It is secretly making you die, no matter how fast you run, no matter how much you join gym, no matter how much information you take. Once you look into a mirror, slowly you see and you get disappointed. What the F, my hair is getting grey, and I am supposed to be a conspiracy theorist and truther. I am not supposed to die, right? You have so much, at least you should outlive the mainstream, but we all start having the same life cycle. Maybe we go 5 to 10 years or 20, but how are they able to control T cell? This is, if you ask me, one place, where our science directly is connected. I will make a separate video on T cells, guys. It is directly at the center of your heart, between this in the rib cage. It is very, very good. They have shrinked it. It should be like tennis ball. Now it is like a peanut. This is what we need to expand when we become an angelic self. You will create a protective layer of immunity. No BS, no weapons even can attack you. Even the bullet, can attack you. This what actual T cells is. They tell you T cells is with the HIV, fake virus, all this virus. But actually T cells in an angel is a protective covering, guys, which became a peanut shaped. Even if you can expand into tennis shape, you will be immortal. Like you will can live for thousands of years. It comes under lymphatic system, but they taught us in subject they told us respiratory system and nervous system and circulatory system and digestive system. They deliberately left lymphatic system, which should be the number one system to teach actually. You see how incredibly twisted it is. So coming to all these expressions, they basically control that single small baby in our body, basically control our entire life, guys. So we are done with that part. But now we are coming to the future timeline, guys. This is where the aliens play. I know it may be too much to take, but I really need to cover it. Immortalized cell line. How they made this HEK293 immortal. It grows forever, guys. Biological immortality. There are only few cell lines the aliens made sure grows forever. In this timeline, why? From 50 years, it was created in 1972. For 50 years, the same baby cell, it is not dying only. How? You can see introduction of viral gene HK2 cell line. How are they able to do it? History. HEK293 cells were generated in 1973. It is as fresh as yesterday, guys. Even if you keep a food in the fridge, after 10-12 days it starts to rot. How are they able to keep it for close to 50 years in the Leiden in Netherlands, guys? This is when we connect to we are going to the next door now, guys. This story is over. Now we are moving to the next level, and it gets even more crazier now. The cells were obtained from a single aborted or miscarried fetus, the precise origin of which is unclear. This is what perplexed me. I was looking because I had a personal battle. I will cover it with this baby inside me. This is what blew me away, guys. That was the helping point. I was able to pinpoint its origin from where this baby has come. That is why they don't talk about it. Yes, guys, this HEK2 cell line baby is from our future, guys. You have no idea what aliens have planned for this planet. We are actually irrelevant. The battle is for the planet, guys. We are actually kind of the mesh that is used to pull the planet to their world, guys. They are planet collectors. Yes, guys, the time has come for them to steer away the planet to their liking. That is why so much drama. This baby has come from the future, and that future is incredibly dark, and that happened through quantum tunneling. As I said, without understanding quantum physics, that is not difficult. I know quantum is, you will get scared. It is much easier than conventional physics. They have pulled the baby into this timeline to steer away the planet from light to darkness. This is how we move in a scientific sense. People always say we are going to darkness. How we are going to darkness, guys? People are becoming darkness. There is a lot of evil, but how? There is scientific base behind it, guys. So if you can get hold of science, we have solutions. That is why I will come to, we have a lot of solutions now, because we are approaching in a scientific way, science based, pure science. Not the mainstream craft science, but we are digging even deeper and connecting the dots. So we have a lot of solutions. We can, at least I can confidently say we have fighting chance, because I will not make a video unless I get the solution. That is why it took so long for me to make videos, because I just simply don't want to make a video for entertainment purpose. After watching video, you should be able to use your hands and legs to do something in your life, right? So this is the reason. It took some long time. So this is exactly why they are playing that climate change drama, food shortage, and forcing us to accept non-conventional like solar, which doesn't work. Germany has now highest people are going without electricity. That is just the beginning, guys. But that baby was tunneled from our future, from a dark future into this present timeline, so that baby has got used to this darkness. So unconsciously, whatever you do, you book a Uber, Lyft, it doesn't matter, you travel to Thailand or Philippines or Japan, you choose a job either in Oracle or in Microsoft, or you buy a phone, either Samsung or iPhone, subconsciously, because of the fetus cell, you are going into the darkness. You are unconsciously in a sleeping mode. You are forcing the planet to move into this direction, guys, because you are an angel. You are actually now a sleeping angel, but your consciousness, without knowing you, the aliens are using it to push the world into a dark place. We just do not know why, because they love rotten. There is another big agenda, the ultimate agenda, and I call this the alien ultimate rotten agenda. They make you rot. That is why your life sucks for 90% of the time, and they give you some breadcrumbs for you to have vacation for 10% of your life. But most of your life at the moment is not we want vibe, it's all by design. It is not your confidence or looks or intelligence, that is childish, guys. Aliens with IQs of 2000, 20,000 are making sure that you stay in a lockdown at this critical moment. They don't want you to move, because if you move, the steering, the driving of the planet will get disturbed, because you are a light worker. So they want to steer this planet to the darker realms. They are shifting this. I will come to it, but you must know about the aliens. These are the workers actually who are steering the, but the leaders, the ultimate leaders are behind them. So Credo Mutwa is very, very critical in this. You have to read the information videos. There are many videos of Credo Mutwa that like, you should have basic understanding. Without this is kind of, you will not get an idea, because he says how humans were brought to earth in a egg shape, aka moon. So you can see these aliens move in planets, guys. They move planets. So it is not a big deal if you have watched Credo Mutwa. I am telling the same thing, but now it is expanded that time has come for earth to move now. They came in moon and they conquered earth. Why they came in moon and offload us on earth? To take earth to other dimension. They are using us as slaves, dark angelic slaves, to steer us. That is what Credo Mutwa told us in these videos. But these are not, they are managers kind of people who drive. They are the drivers, you can say, of planet. But the architect is not these aliens. So this is the center force which is doing it. Without even Bill Gates or Rothschild, every human being is been driven by the baby from the future, from the dark future. So all this is irrelevant. But the shocking thing that I am going to tell you is this baby has slowly become Chucky, guys. Yes, guys, I had a battle. He started eating my frontal lobe. Because I know how crazy this sounds, but please hear me out, because I don't want to, blast my own drum. But my consciousness is also, since we are into, is developed now. So it started. This baby is nothing but Chucky. Yes, that is why every other movie this year is about Chucky, 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 right? Everything is about Chucky. So you see his hair, it's orange, reddish orange, ginger. He is from Netherlands, guys. I know it's Hollywood movie, etc. But what they are telling you is this baby has in 2020 grown to become Chucky. But make no mistake about it, he is what this his function, his mission is to do this for. Make your immunity low. Control your taste. Daddy, I want this pizza. You will get him for him. He's an annoying little kid. Destroy your immunity. Control of your movement. Whenever he tells you, I want to pee, I want to drink, I want to eat, Chucky, he will make it for you. And eat your frontal lobe. That is his favorite food. Literally eating your frontal lobe, aka disconnecting you from the information. So when he was at the night, he is very active at night. So when he started eating, the fight was on the quantums and between the quantum and 3D level. So that is what shocked me. I found out that this kid is not what they show. He's extraordinarily powerful, guys. So when I started fighting him, like muscling him and tangling him, he punched me. I please bear with me. I know how this sounds, but that punch was so strong. I fell 10 feet away, and the scream came was, "Mummy!" Exactly, because I am a 40-year-old grown man. But that is when I got shocked. This is not an ordinary baby. No baby has strength this strong. The strength was not the surprising factor, but the lightning quick he attacked me. The strength and the lightness of it. I didn't see the punch he hit me. That is what shocked me. Like, what the F? A baby or whatever is not supposed to have so much strength to throw me away. And when he punched me, the taste was total, like ionic. How the rusty iron taste. Then I came to know graphene oxide, guys. This is the once all the people who have taken vaccine, they go to future, they become Chucky, too demanding, too whining. Yes, guys, this is total neuromodulation technology. Whatever is in that vaccine is this. I'm not kidding you. This guy is developing inside our brain. No kidding. With an increasing number of people becoming aware of graphene oxide, this guy is made of graphene, guys. I will tell you what actually graphene oxide is. It is 10 times more powerful than steel, lighter than steel. It is lightning cooled, it is a superconductor, it is actually an advanced quantum material. I will cover this in material. He is fully made of. I will tell you also when he grows up, what he becomes. He is slowly taking over our body. Those who are, even if you are not vaccinated, we are drinking, so please avoid all the Western food. But the strength which he hit me, I have never been felt so humiliated or so embarrassed. Like, I could feel in my dreams, guys, the battle, the lightning which he hit me, the punch, I didn't see it coming, and it was faster than the speed of light. No kidding. I only saw a light and it hit me and I fell 10 feet away. Please, I know how this sounds, but I will explain it. That is what Chucky is all about. He is growing inside you. He sits here, right here, in all of us. I don't want to scare you, there are solutions. But here, with an increasing number of people becoming aware of graphene oxide being identified in vaccine, a company called InBrain Neuroelectronics, inside the brain neuroelectronics, demonstrate that graphene-based neuromodulation technology using AI-powered neuroelectronics is very real. A March 30, 2021, right now in this year, funding enables company to advance first-in-human studies for its flagship project, a less invasive neuromodulation device for treating neurological condition using AI and graphene electrodes. You can see Parkinson's and all related to frontal lobe and brain. What is this graphene which they are using in vaccine? Is one of the strongest material. That is why, contrary to what everyone is telling, I am telling you the people who took the vaccine are going to be 10 times stronger. I have communicated many of the people offline when I was not uploading videos. They can confirm it. Before all this came, they are telling that everyone will get. No, guys, the agenda is not to kill you. If they wanted, we would have already been dead. The agenda is to transform you guys, transform humanism to the AI body. You are slowly being transformed into an artificial graphene-based body. And that graphene base is 10 times to 100 times more stronger than your carbon body. It is carbon 5.0. It is more superior. It can conduct electricity. It is so dense that it is impermeable to gases, not even helium. It can connect on a quantum level, guys. It takes instructions directly from quantum world. Super fast electronics. It does everything that you imagine that they show you, right? Graphene is the name of a single layer sheet of carbon. So we are carbon beings. They have upgraded it to graphene. So the coming kits In 200 years, all the kids will be graphene based. They don't eat, they just dip in a solution and they gain the power. All the food, that is why they are attacking the taste. It will slowly, it will be, you just have to swim in a solution and they will get all the power. It is going to be way advanced than what they are showing, because I will go through it about graphene oxide in a other video. But these are the Karens who took the vaccine and this is their kid, guys. But do you know what becomes of him? This is what I screamed again. Mummy, like what the Indian still theory, mummy ki yaad dila dunga karke. Like, you will remember your mother if I hit you. That is how I felt it when he hit me. Because this is you guys, and this is like 100 times, because make no mistake, I'm not telling you, because even the Cro-Magnon, Neanderthals, all were designed by the aliens to be weaker. So your carbon body is not you. You are an angelic being trapped inside a carbon body. So I'm not telling you are responsible. We need to get out of it, etc. That is why this video is. But this is the future. Robot with artificial intelligence observing human skull in evolved cybernetic organism world. Right here, they have written it. This is the future of Earth, guys. Cybernetic organism world. This is where the vaccine plays a central role. The baby fetus is the most key thing for them, which becomes Chucky. Chucky becomes this. I got the punch from Chucky and I know what this guy, that is why, see, he has no respect for us. When he grows up, we are already dead. We are already skull. He will look at us, because that is why I don't want to scare you, but in 200 years, it is going to be the opposite, unless those who have not taken vaccine work out. We will be skulled, we will be buried alive. Only those who have taken already they are trying to clear us up. But it is not for now, guys. The generation now, and they will have a baby, and that baby's baby, like 200 years from now, all the kids will be graphene based, AI based. They will rule Earth, but we will not allow it. I'm not telling just like that to show up my ego. Literally, this will not come to be. We are also gaining power. So, but I'm telling you their plans actually. So, angel can defeat them easily. Only an angel being, even if you have 10 to 20% of angelic energy, meaning light, if I didn't have solution and I see the light, I will not make this video. So don't worry about transhumanism or AI. It will not happen. I guarantee you. I promise you. Because we also have a lot of power. But they are showering us with AI and all this. You will think that we are powerless. No, guys, we are having lot of power. But this is the future. They don't want to kill us, guys. All these lockdowns, everything will go away eventually, because they want us to make babies. Because while making the babies, lot of things join, and then the baby grow up, and then he will make the baby. Then the solution, everything, it needs to rot like ferment inside a woman, because women are also central to it. Woman and needs to ferment this graphene inside her womb for 6 to 8 to 9 months before this shape and the bonding comes through water. So that is said another video. But they can make this in lab, but they know lab making babies versus a woman's womb is totally different, because lab making will become powder eventually. This can live for a lot longer, So there is lot of other equations that come into picture. Why they are not creating robots in lab, but they want us to create their production line, right? So that is comes a lot longer. So now you know where we all belong. It is from the William of Orange, but they use some of his DNA to create the baby and send it to future, because there should be some timeline. And this is our house, guys, House of Orange in a quantum level. So now you know who is our daddy on a quantum level, this guy. But not this, like aliens are using everyone, but they are mocking us through this. Who is dominant, who is controlling your life. It is not India or Pakistan or China. It is controlled directly through knowledge. But I will give you the solution quickly, at least now, because even the solutions are very vast, guys. It is not a day or two thing that I can quickly give you. It will not work in that way. I need to create a separate video, but I will cover some of the solutions. So one solution is, please never ever eat carrot, guys. You know, carrot came from, they modified, the Dutch people modified, but the cute conspiracy mainstream, when it tries to be conspiracy, is cute for me. So they tell, no, it came from Roman. No. It is actually was created by aliens to dangle the carrot in front of us for the baby to evoke and make the decision. That is why rewards, discounts, promotions is all done by the fetus inside you. It doesn't matter which race, which food, veg or non-veg, vegan. All I have to do is the dangle carrot and the baby will make the decision. So whatever you do, throw the carrot. I have noticed it wherever I go, there is no issue with carrots, guys. You will get carrot literally in every market. It may be right in front of your refrigerator right now because you are doing it unconsciously. Never give carrots to your children. I have made a video of the real carrot, black one. That is the good one. This is hybrid to invoke the Chucky inside you. You see this one. This is totally red and orange one. This is the aliens who designed to invoke the baby inside you to make decisions. So when you eat carrot, the baby takes over. That is where the statement came from, dangling the carrot in front of you. So one thing you can do right now is, please never ever bring carrot. Bury it, throw it, burn it. Do not give this to kids. Kid will make your life away. Even you are a baby itself. We all are babies. So I hated this thing, but somehow it ended up on my table. Every time I tell my parents not to bring carrot, but my mother will somehow unconsciously will bring it and cook it. But I never ate. Sometimes I have to eat it. But this is a very, very dangerous weapon to evoke you. Black is good, but you will not find black anywhere. Very hard to find. So in India, they make gajar ka halwa and halwa puri. They put it in salads. Throw it right now if you don't want to be in the dangling carrot. This is real, guys. Please do not take it because that is the food most loved by Chucky. And when this came, Omicron, David Bowie, people are like, a lot of videos in US and TikTok and YouTube about what this is joke, guys. There is no solution and this is frankly irrelevant at this moment. You see the where we are right now. This is to make you feel special. He starts with, you are the chosen one. You only completed the mission out of many. They want you to be the one. We cannot work like that. We have to work in a group. So when you pass the stage in video game, you leave everyone behind. We cannot do that. They know if you come to him as a chosen one, there are thousands of aliens behind him. They can easily defeat you. That is why they want you to compete against each other. But when he talked, you should have said, no, don't fool me, buddy. When I was breaking your boundaries and climbing the scales, I brought an army of people who are as smart as me to become number one. I am not the chosen one. We are lot. So every freaking video game has this. I know you made it and rest of us didn't. So please don't fall for that brainwashing. We need to work together, guys. That is the only solution. So I will come to it why they are, Omicron David Bowie is dead. But in the video game, they are telling Omicron. So they want you to feel you are special. But we need to work in a group to defeat this guy right now. And it goes to science, So when this came, it all circled around Netherlands. Omicron was the Netherlands 5 days before South Africa later. This all happened so quickly, They are revolving things around Holland now. Dutch police arrest couple who fled American quarantine hotel. Flight out of Holland. So I was shocked how they know. But why orange color, guys? It is not that Dutch people invented orange. It is a universal color. This is another deeper because it goes on and on. I don't want to blast your brain away, but I will give solution. But it is because this planet is ready to move, guys. This planet is being steered. They are adjusting the angles. So space is curved. We know all this is fake, etc. But I'm just telling you because even the life jacket is orange, because when you go further from the side, only orange is visible because space is curved, guys. I only covered it. So when you move across the space, this is the most suitable color to give you direction. That is why Netherlands is the steering wheels, literally. Why do scientists mean when they say space is curved? I already covered. They are aligning all the mined stars. Remember, guys, there is no such thing as planets. These were all stars. They have shut down the light, mined the stars, and now they are brainwashing it with what we know as planets. From a star, how can planet come, guys? Star will make star. A human will make a human baby. Monkey will make a monkey. Why will a star make a planet, dead planet, which has to borrow light from a star? Everything was stars. They mined it. That is why even now the highest content is silicon, not carbon. So these guys, as I told you, they are like the managers who are controlling the affairs of the earth. And Credo Mutwa goes more into the detail. When he said about these aliens coming in moon, I believed it, but I didn't know the extent because most of our ancient history is in Africa, guys. And he is unfortunately passed away, but he had close to 100,000 years of shamanic history. So for me, the African culture, because Indian culture, those gurus, they don't pass on the real information. So the real history of earth is with the African shamans, and he was the number one guy. So there are many videos other than what the David Icke videos is. Lot of other people in Africa has taken. So please watch it. It is 3-4 hours long. There he goes into more details about this Chitahuri and how they came, how they brought us in another planet, what we know as moon, and put us here. Now they are taking us, steering us. So when dawn and dusk comes, you see this orange color. This is where the curvature comes. So this is the science part, not the Dutch. I'm telling you about the science part. So this area, you will be shocked why Netherlands. This is literally the steering wheel of the aliens to drive the planets to their way, guys. They are moving this earth now. That here literally is the steering wheel. That is why the fetus baby has to be from the Netherlands origin. Every 7 billion people are connected to the Holland. Because when they steer it, they need our energy to drive. So we are moving away from the light to the darkness. That is how technologically science-based they are doing it. We know we are going to the darkness, blah, blah, blah. But how they are doing it? It is through this area called Netherlands. So if you are a Dutch, there is lot of things you can do, guys. First is, please do not eat carrots. That itself will be like 20% of the battle won. They will not be able to steer it. There will be some jerk when they try to steer it. And then the other one, as I covered, Calendula officinalis, that is astracea. It has highest carotenoids. I am not just giving you something. There is a lot of deep science. So most of the solutions I will make a separate video. This is a flower that grows in Europe, but what blocked me from giving you direct solution is this goes thousands and millions of years ago, guys. So when I looked into astracea, where the astracea, where most of our solutions are, this is connected to the sun, our sun. But the shocking thing was, these flowers grow in Europe, guys. They don't grow in tropics. I was confused. Whenever I thought that it will be easy to find the sun based flowers, but magically these are all going in Europe and North, coldest region. I was perplexed. How the hell? That is impossible, right? Logically speaking, the sun based flowers should grow in the equator where sun shines, but most of the flowers that we need, which has this carotenoid and tryptophan, because if you want to remove the baby from the body. You need tryptophan, sleep. You see, the baby sleeps a lot, so we need a mechanism for the Chucky to sleep for an extra long time so that he forgets to eat and shrinks. When the baby shrinks, it will pass from our urine and go away. That is actually the logic behind it. But when I researched it, I was shocked that most of the Aster K like this. I will give you just a hint. Helianthe sunflower. What would you think where it is native to? You will think, yeah, sun means it should be centered somewhere here. No, guys. It is native to North America and Central America. Most of the sunflower grows in the coldest region. How? Because they have already steered the planet away from the real position, guys. That is why we tell them, pole shift. Pole shift is not natural. They are steering it, guys. All the magnetic shift and blah blah by New Age is not what they tell us. It is all by design done by these aliens. They have the capability to steer and move the planet wherever they like. So when they came to Earth and captured it, they have shifted the orientation itself. So sunflower, all the sun-related flowers grow in northern latitude, in Europe and America, coldest region. That is why I am finding it very difficult to get it in India, which will help us bring in more light from the sun in our body and resist the darkness. So that is the game actually I will discuss, how to bring more light. So if you are in Europe, please try to get the organic one to begin with and take calendula leaves. Leaves are very, very critical. It has highest carotenoid, guys. It will block the carrot or baby excitement. So it goes a lot deeper. So yeah, guys, I have quickly covered it a lot, I feel. So the videos become already a lot longer, but I really wanted to cover this before I give you solutions. And in the coming videos, I will really have to talk about quantum physics and two dimension, how both are related. If you don't understand quantum physics, nothing will work, because they should have taught us quantum physics to our ancestors, our parents, but they taught our ancestors conventional physics, and now they are telling us quantum physics, which is making us even more confused. So you see, even the knowledge they gave us is inverted, guys. First we should know about quantum physics, then conventional physics. So in short, I will compress and condense the information so we can move on from this. We are dealing with aliens who collect planets, aka stars. They are planet collectors. They steer planets away from natural alignment and use it against other races as food source. They hate light. Their food is dark, rotten, inverse of whatever we love. We love fresh food. They love rotten food, guys. That is the head and tail of it. Whatever we love, they hate it. We love to go out, enjoy. They want to put us in lockdown. We love freedom. They hate freedom, like that. Exact inversion. We are dealing with aliens when mentioned to the mainstream and etc. would make you think you watch too many Hollywood movies, bro. So the last few lines, if Kronotwa didn't make this video, you will automatically say, you watch too many Hollywood movies, bro, aka predictive programming. Not you, but the mainstream guys. So I named these aliens who are doing all this behind them as you watch too many Hollywood bro aliens. So let shut them up. So if you come across, if you tell this information and if he says this, you watch too many Hollywood movies, I'm talking about those kind of aliens. This is the ultimate, So, and it all goes to the center, to the Holland where they are steering it. So we have to, lot of us have to be in Netherlands and eat and do lot of stuff, guys. So we know where we need to be in coming days and years. Yeah, guys, I will make further video on solutions and quantum physics in my coming videos. Thanks for watching.